Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between exchanges. Today, we're tackling how to send Solana from Bitrue to Crypto.com in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your funds safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Crypto.com, and that you have some Solana in your Bitrue wallet. Start by logging into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Find Solana and click on it. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This is usually a button or tab right there in the wallet interface. When you select it, you'll be prompted to choose the asset, so pick Solana. Now, the key step. Enter the recipient address. Head over to your Crypto.com app or website, go to your Solana wallet, and copy the deposit address. Paste that into the withdrawal form on Bitrue. Double-check this address, it's crucial to avoid any mistakes. You'll also need to enter the amount of Solana you want to send. Make sure it's less than what you have available, and remember to account for any network fees. Bitrue might ask for a two-factor authentication code here for security, so have that ready. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm or Withdraw Now. You'll get a confirmation screen. Review it one last time before proceeding. After that, the transaction will be processed on the Solana blockchain, which is pretty fast, usually taking just a few minutes to an hour. Keep an eye on your Crypto.com account to see when the Solana arrives. And just like that, you're done. Wrapping this up, sending Solana between exchanges is a breeze once you know the steps, but always stay vigilant with your private keys and addresses. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.